This guide helps you efficiently delete selected leads from your account. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on Lead. In the lead list, find the lead you want to delete. On the right side, click the 3 dots under the Action column. Click Delete. The selected lead will be removed from your CRM. To delete multiple leads, bulk delete. In the lead list, select multiple leads using the checkboxes on the left. After selecting, choose Delete from the menu. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Selected lead will be deleted from the CRM.